Uh, Hey everyone, my name is Abhishek Kare, and today's video topic name is inheritance. I will discuss what is inheritance and its types. Okay, what is inheritance? Inheritance is also called as a is a relationship. Okay, we can implement inheritance by using the extend keyword. Okay, why we use inheritance? By using inheritance we can access the methods and the behavior of the one class to in the another by extending that class. Okay, so example is that if we class suppose a class B extends class A, then the class B can access the methods and the behavior of the class A. It is the example of the inheritance. Okay. So there are five types of inheritance in Java. So first one is the so the they are first one is the single level inheritance. Second one is the multi level inheritance, and the third one is the hierarchical inheritance, and fourth one is the multiple inheritance, and fifth one is the hybrid inheritance. So the first one is that single level inheritance. In single level inheritance we extend one class into the another class. Example of single level inheritance is that if class B extends class A, then it is the example of the single level inheritance. Okay, so multi level inheritance, in multi level inheritance one class extends another class, and another class extends third one class. Okay, and so on. Okay, so the example of the multi-level inheritance is that class D extends class C, class C extends class B, and class B extends class A. So this is the example of the multi-level inheritance. Okay. So third one is that hierarchical inheritance. So hierarchical inheritance in which one class is there are multiple in hierarchical inheritance in which multiple classes extends one class. So the example of hierarchical inheritance in which class B extends class A, class C extends class A, class D class extends class A. So this is the example of the hierarchical inheritance. Okay. So the multiple inheritance. Okay, so multiple inheritance in Java in case of class it is not supported. Okay, and the multiple inheritance in case of the interface we can achieve. Okay, so what is multiple inheritance? Okay, so multiple inheritance in which one class extends two classes. Okay, so example is that class B suppose a class C extends class B and as well as class A. So this is the example of the multiple inheritance. Okay. So multiple inheritance in class A in case of class is not supported because of the ambiguity issue. And the JVM is not supported the ambiguity issues. Okay, that's why the in case of class multiple inheritance is not supported. Okay, but we can achieve the multiple inheritance by using the interface. Okay, so in the interface we achieve the multiple inheritance. The reason behind this, that is the implementation of interface is by doing the by the implementation class. Okay, that's why we achieve the multiple inheritance in the in case of the interface. Okay, and the fifth one is that hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance is also is not supported in Java. So these are the types of the multiple. These are the types of the inheritance. Okay. So let's suppose let's we discuss the importance of inheritance by using the example. Okay. Suppose we have to create a class home loan, and another class is that vehicle loan. In that both classes there are 500 methods each. Okay, if we didn't use the if we does not use the inheritance, then we have to write that 500 methods in each. Okay, and out of that 500 methods, 250 methods are common. Okay, and remaining 50 methods are different in both classes. Okay, so if we in that case if we use inheritance, then we have to just create one extra class. In that suppose a class that one extra class, suppose a class that loan. In that loan class we have to write a 250 methods of common from that two classes. Okay. And just create remaining two classes, that is the vehicle loan and home loan. While creating the home loan or vehicle loan respectively, we have to extend that loan class. Okay, by extending loan class, we can access that method class methods. Okay. So in that case, we if we if we extend that class A in class loan in that vehicle loan and home loan, then the development time will reduces and the length of the code also decreases. So these are the uh, importance of the importance of the inheritance. So advantages of the inheritance. First one is the code reusability. Second one is the length of the code will decrease, and development time will decrease. Efficiency of coder will increase. Okay. So these are the some points about the inheritance. And thank you so much.